We are on.
So today we're gonna do an unboxing. We just made two small purchases for SLGs.
Now tell them why you got them gloves on your hands.
Listen. So I went to this nail place. He did my nails. They looked great. Within 48 hours, I realized I was having an allergic reaction. So I was like, oh, I'll be fine. My hands looked awful. They was peeling so bad. They looked so awful. They was peeling so bad. So long story short, I waited till I needed to fill, went back in, told him I was allergic, excuse me, and that I needed something else that didn't have acrylic. He says, okay, let's do dip. We do dip. Dip is way better. My hands start to heal back. Like, I'm good. They're cute. We're good. Now, this whole time, he's been sanding the heck out of my nails. And when I say sanding, I mean draw blood sanding, okay? So he's getting into it. I don't know why he insists on not letting my nail beds be great, but he was not trying to leave me any, what is it called? Keratin? Okay.
Yeah, he wasn't leaving you no keratin.
So I go back the third time to get a fill. And he said, what services do you need? And then, well, one guy said, what services do you need? Then I looked over and I saw my guy and I said, the dip. And he asked me to sign and I signed in, put full set dip because I needed some repairs. By the time I got the repairs, it was going to be equivalent to a full service dip. So I just was like, let me get a brand new dip. Everybody says, okay. We sits down, he starts putting something on my nails. And by the time I realize what he's doing, I'm like, why are my nails feeling weird? I look down and he's done put acrylic on my hands. So I say, is that acrylic? And he goes, oh yeah, you didn't tell me. I said, I did tell you, but I wrote it in the book. I said, listen, it's fine. So he caught himself getting all of that mess off of there. Long story short, he didn't get it all off. My hands are peeling real bad and I look like a monster. So gloves. This is not the white glove treatment. This is literally just
Crusty, dusty hands.
bad hands. A case of jazz hands. Okay, so sorry about that rant. Y'all already know what it is. This looks like the new burlap sack everybody was talking about. They don't have the drawstring anymore. I have to be honest, I'm not a fan of the drawstring. All of my Louis Vuittons have come in the flap over it. First of all, if y'all want to talk about making something a bag, do it for the culture. Okay? Turn this joint right here into a bag. I'm here for it. I would love that. Matter of fact, I'm like a newborn baby. Play with the package. You don't even need the toy, goddamn. Put you an insert in here from like the Toiletry 26. I don't know, that might be a little bit too small. Put you a set in here. That would be super dope because it would lay right up against your body. I would be here for that. Anyway, this is, I believe, the Toiletry case. I believe this is the Toiletry case because I looked at the Toiletry, I looked at the pouch and the pouch was taller and the sides had Gucci here instead of brown.
It was shorter.
It was, did I get the tall one?
Yeah, you got the tall one.
Okay, so it was shorter and wider?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, my bad. My daughter told me the pouch was shorter and wider, but it did have Gucci on the sides. It didn't have the brown like this. They were the same price if I'm not mistaken. The insides were different. The insides were different. This has, I feel like leather. I think, yeah, this one has leather. This is made in Italy. See, can y'all get in there? Okay, so this has the leather interior. As you guys can see, it's tan. I think if you're going to do something with a bag, the other one, I think snapped on the side. I think that would be good to make if you were into making them into bags. Like this, I feel like wouldn't be bad for a clutch. I'm not going to lie to you. But then I feel like it would because it's so structured. I feel like it would. Then it could be the gloves. This could slide out your hands. Let me just talk about how my glove just got stuck on the hardware. See? It's the gloves for me. So I was saying, I don't know if it's the gloves, but this seems a little bit slick to carry as a pouch, in my opinion. So if you are a converter, you may want to convert this with a chain. I feel like I would be open to that. This has the shiny gold, not the antique gold. You can see that one. I do like the antique gold. I'm not going to lie to you, but you can see the difference. How shiny that. That's cute. So I do like this, but maybe I'll wear this when I take my husband out for his birthday. would be cute if I find a little cute little outfit to go with it.